Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today, I'm sure you can tell, I am doing the Kim K at the Met Gala this year. She looked phenomenal. I can't even say it. We're going to say fantastic instead. She looked amazing, from her dress to her hair to her makeup. Just everything was just perfect basically. So 90s supermodel. I loved it. Her eyes, oh, and that nude lip, I loved it, and from the day I seen it I wanted to recreate it. So I show you how I get this cat eye right here, this bronzy skin and this 90s lip. We had a bit of trouble, and you'll see in the video. I'm sure you can tell from this eye, just I'm not even going to talk about it. Like, it just is so watery, nothing sticking, nothing staying, and I'm so sorry, but just focus on this eye. But yeah, you just have to work with what you have. So yeah, I really hope you like this. I love how it turned out. Love Kim K, she's probably my favorite person for makeup, and love Mario. They're like the super team. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and a few bumps along the way, then please keep on watching. So I have one eye done of what I think it looks like. It's really hard to tell from like the pictures. I know a lot of people are actually doing like full-on winged liner, but I don't think it looked like she had a winged liner. To me it looked like she had like black smoked into a winged liner, as in more of a smoke than like a straight up black eyeliner. So, and it looked like to me she had like a warm colour all over her lid and in her crease. And then I'm going to put black in here and then smoke it out all at the bottom and with big lashes and stuff. So yeah, I kind of like it. It's not really something I would think of wearing, but it's definitely getting me out of my comfort zone. But I'm going to show you how to do it on this eye anyway. So to get this warm crease look, I'm going to go into Makeup Geek Frappe, which is this neutral toned brown. It's not really warm and it's not really cool, but that's what I want it for, just to blend out the warm in my crease. So I'm just going to go in with my Morphe E23 and I'm going to buff that into the crease. Now I'm going to go into Makeup Geek Sidekick and a little bit of Anastasia, what's it called? Morocco. So they're both basically just warm toned browns, but as you can see, Morocco's a little bit more red and Sidekick's a little bit more neutrally red. So I'm just going to dip into two of them and just buff that out in the crease. So now I'm just going to go back in with a denser brush and dip back into the same eyeshadows just to get a little bit darker, and I'm just going to place that in my crease. Now what we're going to do, because I don't really have like a black cream eyeshadow, but if you've like the NYX Jumbo pencil in black or anything like that, like a black kind of eye crayon, this is perfect. But I'm just using regular old black eyeliner, so that does the job as well. So I'm just going to kind of place it on my lash line, not very neat, just as messy as you can. Then you just want to kind of get like a flash shader brush, but that's not too dense and flat. This is just a Real Techniques one, and I'm just gonna literally keep blending that until it smokes out. Like, just keep blending. It's a bit of a process, but just keep blending. I'm gonna go back in with my brush and dip back into those two brown shades and just kind of help blend the edges of this out. So you can see that's pretty smoked out now. It's kind of, as you can see, it's messy, it's smoky, it doesn't look like winged liner. What I do want to do, and what I did on this side, is I want to go back in with black eyeshadow and just define the lash line a bit more, so it doesn't just look like gone into grey, like it doesn't look black anymore. So that's what I'm going to do, but I like the edges of how smoked out it is. So basically you want to get that brush that you use again and dip it into whatever black eyeshadow you have, the blackest eyeshadow you have, and you're going to trace along your lash line. So as you can see, it's still smoked out, but it just added a bit more black and intensity on the lash line. So now we're going to create this little wing here. This is done with black eyeshadow, so it's not wing or liquid liner. So that's why it's a lot more smoky looking. So we're going to do the same on the other side. I just get like an angled brush like what you'd use for your eyebrows, and we're going to draw a little wing. There's our wing, and by no means is it perfect at all. I don't want it to be perfect. I don't want it to be like that cut wing, because we're going to smoke out like we did here, because we want it to be smoky. So just do it a little, like it'll all come together once you've eyelashes on and eyeliner and all that. Like, I know we look a bit crazy now, but so we just want to go back into that brush and kind of whatever you have left over, just kind of smoke up the eyeliner so it gives you that like dramatic cat eye. So as you can see, that's quite smoky now, which is what we want. So we're going to go in with liquid liner now. So I'm going to go into the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm just going to fill in this part here. Now we've filled that in, so that at least then we'll have a bit like of a cat eye from inner corner to outer corner. So basically I'm going to put on fake lashes, do the rest of my face, show you how to do the rest of your face, and then we're going to smoke out the lower lash line and make it really, really smoky. So for lashes, I'm just going to use, they're actually from Pennies. I'm going to use the, it's the Primark brand, and it's called Dare, like D-A-R-E, Dare. But they're just really thick and kind of, they have a thick band as well, so I think they'd be perfect. They're only like $3.50, so yeah, we're gonna just put some lash glue on and stick them on our eyes. So basically that's one eye done with lashes, smoked out, everything. So basically you just want to draw the line here and then bring it out and make like a little tip, and then you just want to draw a line a little bit, only bring it to like here just to give it the shape. I don't know about you, but my eyes are so watery that this liner is just not staying. I have to keep going over it. And then what I did was I got my kohl liner, and all I did was line the inner part of my eye and a little bit underneath, and then all I literally did was got this, the brush that we've been using with the black on it, and you literally just smudge it out. And that basically gives you the cat eye. I want to just bring it here right at the edge, so it kind of connects to your liner. So yeah, basically that's my interpretation of the Kim Met Gala eye. I just have to finish this eye. I just thought I would do this eye just to show you what it was like, so then I can just go finish this one and then do the rest of my face. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's quite sexy, quite smoky. It'll look really nice when you have your makeup done and your highlight done and all that. So yeah, it takes time, and you definitely have to have patience, and you definitely have to be willing to blend till your arm falls off. But yeah, it's really nice, and Mario did a really good job. So yeah, I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I'm going to show you how to achieve the face, and then we'll see the final look. Seriously. Can anyone relate? One eye perfect, the other eye is so watery that I'm literally crying mascara. And then it didn't help that my lash literally stuck into my eye and made me cry. Well, the show must go on, so what I'm just gonna do is just finish my face and let this dry and work on it again so I can like do my intro and outro and take some pictures. But yeah, this is real life. Like, it just makes me so mad, especially because like 9 o'clock at night as well. But okay, we're gonna go on with it. I have my foundation and concealer on. I have the Dior Forever or Star foundation and the Revolution concealer. So I'm just going to show you how to bronze and highlight like Kim, and the lip, and then we're going to fix the eyes and everything's going to be okay. Please do not mind me, I'm in my work uniform. Everything's a mess behind me. It's just a mess. Okay, so yeah, let's contour, bronze and highlight. So for contour, I'm going to go into my e.l.f. St. Lucia. Is it St. Lucia? St. Lucia, yeah, duo. So contour and blush, and we're just going to dip into the contour shade and contour our cheeks. Kim didn't seem too contoured. She actually seemed more bronzed, if you ask me. So, and she wasn't extremely highlighted either, like she usually is. She seemed a little bit more on the like satiny matte side. So we're just gonna bronze up a little bit. Kim was very bronze, like really goldeny bronzy. Her spray tan was amazing, like her bronzer was so warm. So that's why I'm going to go into the Ingla and JLo Boogie Down bronzer in Sunkissed. It's very warm, very bronzy, very JLo. So I really want to warm up my skin with this because I'm feeling a little pale compared to Kim. I'm then going to go into the blush in that e.l.f. duo. It's just like a peachy nude. And we're just going to put a little bit of that on the apples of our cheeks. And then we're going to go into the Revolution highlighting palette with Soph Does Nails. Because it's not an extreme highlight that Kim had. We're going to go into the gold shade. She didn't have an extreme highlight. She was just kind of more like a little bit of a sheen. She wasn't crazy highlighted. We are then going to go back into the e.l.f. bronzer and we're just going to contour our nose. Kim always has her nose contoured. Just brings a little bit of bronze into the center of my face. For Kim's lip, she looked like she wore a nude, but she looked like she had like a really kind of browny nude and then a light nude in the center. So I'm going to go in with Kylie Brown Sugar because it's a bit more on the brown side, and then I'm going to put a lighter lipstick in the middle and kind of blend it together. So see the way that create a nice brown nude? So we're going to go in with MAC Myth. We're going to put that in the center. So to me that looks very similar to Kim's lip. It's that kind of brown with the nude. So yeah, I'm going to go fix this eye. It's annoying me, making me crazy. And then I'm going to go do my hair and make it a bit more like Kim, and then I'll come back and show you the final look. So this is the finished look. I'm so frustrated with this eye. It's just not happening. Like, it's so watery. I can't even stick the lash fully out. I don't know if you can see it from here. This eye is like perfect, so maybe I'll just talk from this side. But yeah, this is my recreation of the hair and the makeup and a little bit of glow. So I'm so disappointed that it didn't come out this eye the way I wanted to. I'm literally just gonna have to take pictures like this or whatever. But as I said, I already had started it, so I was gonna finish it especially because I was really happy with this eye. So yeah, these things happen sometimes. What can you do? It just shows that your makeup's not always going to be perfect, and these things are going to happen and you just have to make it work anyway. So yeah, I hope you like this look. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the hair, I'm feeling the eyes, I'm feeling this 90s lip. But yeah, so please like and subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, I can recreate more of Kim K's looks, or Kylie or Kendall, whatever you want. Please let me know. I love recreating looks, and they have like my favorite makeup ever. So yeah, just send me any pictures you want or anything like that. I'm open to suggestions from anyone, so please just let me know. It's not a problem at all. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this look, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.